Now let us learn about comparing and ordering of decimals. Let us see the steps. First, convert the decimal numbers into like decimals. Compare the whole numbers. The number with the bigger whole number part is greater. In case the whole number parts are equal, compare the decimal parts of the numbers. The number with the greater value in the 10th place is greater. Compare the 100th and the 1000th places if required. Now let us see few examples. Here, compare the decimals 40.657 and 22.45. So very first thing is I will compare the whole numbers. The whole number itself says me that 40 is greater than 22. So the decimal number 40.657 is greater than 22.45. Let us see the B example. 0.556 and 0.557. Now since both the decimal places does not have a whole number, I compare the 10th place. Here the 10th place is 5. I move forward to the 100th place. Here the 100th place is also equal and they are 5. Now I move to the 1000th place. To the left I can see 6 and to the right I can see 7. So the whole decimal number 0.557 is greater than 0.556. Now let us see how the decimal numbers are arranged in ascending and descending order. Let us see example number A. Here the very first observation that should be done is to make all the given decimal numbers like decimal if required. Yes, I could see the maximum number of decimal place is 3. So I will be making all the decimal numbers like by adding up zeros at the last at the 1000th place. Now I will arrange it in ascending order, comparing the whole numbers first. So the smallest one is 22.41, then 23.86, then 38.97, then 43.92, and at the last I'll have 46.528. Now let us see one example of arranging in descending order. The steps are same here. If the decimal numbers are not like, I will first make it like. Let us see here the example number B. I have 0.156, 0.53, 0.25, 0.36. Now the maximum number of decimal place is 3. So I will make all the remaining one like by adding up a 0. So now this time I'll be arranging it in the descending order. Comparing first with the whole numbers, I can see that all the whole numbers are 0. Then I'll compare the 10th place, the greater one. So the greater one is 0.530. It can also be written as 0.53. After 5 I can find the last one, that is 0.360, then 0.250, and last 0.156. We have got this result with the very first comparison at the 10th place. So this is how we arrange in ascending descending order for the decimal numbers.